Hello everyone, this is Olaf, and it's been a while since I posted any video. And since then I have received from you a lot of messages and emails. They're all kind and nice, for which I'm very grateful. I had a lot of time to think about this YouTube channel, where I would like to take it, and I hear you clear and loud. One message that I got from your emails is that you want me to continue what I have been doing so far. You want me to take my camera, go out and shoot. From time to time to share my thoughts, my philosophy, why am I framing shots the way I frame, why I take some moves on the street, and on and on. So I think this is a very good idea and I like it, and it also fits my style. I don't want to sit across the table and just talk and talk and talk. I don't think we learn something from it, at least not much. Okay, some of you ask me why I'm shooting with medium format. And I know, I get it. This may not be the best format for traditional street photography. But keep in mind, I don't do traditional street photography. And in fact, I don't like to use this word because I don't want to get into this never-ending discussion about what is or what isn't street photography. I just shoot what I enjoy. And I think this is something that shouldn't bother anybody. Sometimes I will shoot with medium format. This September I may shoot with a different camera. And so I think what surprised me quite often is that people that claim that they don't really care about gear, they care about imagery and seeing and composition, many of them attack me about the camera I shoot with. So I don't think that should be the point of discussion, and this is not the subject of this channel. This channel is all about seeing, composition, being creative, observation, and all factors that get you to great imagery. I'm looking forward to your feedback, ideas, messages. Let's talk about photography. Let's do something different on this channel. I don't want to have another channel when we forever discuss gear, where we try to create fake controversies just to get more views. So let's focus on seeing and crafting great imagery. And I really count on you here. I would like to talk about one more very important thing. This August, I would like to invite you for a very special event, which I will be running with my good friend Ibarionex of Candid Frame. Here in Vancouver, British Columbia, both of us are going to run a street photography workshop. This is something that we both decided to do after a meeting in Paris, where we met, where we shoot together. And in fact, Ibarionex was kind enough to visit my students and my workshop. We had a fantastic time together. And then the idea came up, why don't we do it again here in Vancouver? So this August, on 23rd to 25th, we are going to have a very special workshop with Ibarionex and me. We are going to have some classroom time, fantastic discussions, deep discussions about seeing and composition, about finding our own way to create great imagery. We are going to go out and shoot on the streets of Vancouver. I'm really looking forward to it. Right now the registrations are open. You will find the link below. It's visualpoetexperience.com. visualpoetexperience.com. We have, I believe, still some spots left. So make sure to reserve yours because we expect this workshop to be sold out. This is one-time event. and I'm looking forward to it. I hope to see you there. So lots of new footage is coming to this channel. We have footage from Sydney, Melbourne, Paris, New York, and many other cities from all around the world. I promise I will try to put it together and try to release it at least every 2 weeks, so we can have a great conversation about seeing and photography. So thank you for watching. I will leave you with my latest imagery from New York that we just shot about 1 week ago, and I hope you will enjoy it. Until next time.